Welcome to Activity 19. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of near double addition. That is, adding one more than the double we know. For example, I know 4 add 4 equals 8. So 4 add 5 would be one more, which is 9. I can also use the commutative property of addition to rearrange the position of the parts. So I would also know that 5 add 4 equals 9. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each block from 1 to 5 and 1 additional 6 block. If you have original boards, please place them in a right and white sleeve. Let's begin. First we build the double and we say, I know 1 add 1 equals 2. So 1 add 2 equals 3, which is one more. I then change the position of my parts. I also know 2 add 1 equals 3. Let's move to the next one. Build the double. I know 2 add 2 equals 4. So one more than this. 2 add 3 would equal 5. I can change the position of my parts, and I would also know 3 add 2 equals 5. Moving on to my next double. I know 3 add 3 equals 6. 3 add 3 equals 6. So one more than this. 3 add 4 would equal 7. And changing the position of the parts, I also know 4 add 3 equals 7. 4 and 4. I know 4 add 4 equals 8. So one more. 4 add 5 equals 9, and changing the position of the parts. 5 add 4 also equals 9. And the last one. I know 5 add 5 equals 10. So one more than this. You'll notice it's over the edge of the frame because it's one more than 10. 5 add 6 equals 11. And changing the position of the parts. 6 add 5 equals 11. Now it's your turn.